Good day, everyone, and welcome to another tutorial. Um, Today tutorial, we are just going to look at creating three simple web pages and basically creating a hyperlink to navigate to and from those three pages. Now, on your screen is a simple activity where you're asked to create three pages, and you need to incorporate their style of CSS. In this case, you're going to use mainly external CSS styling. Now, the three pages that you're required to create are your home page, your product page, and your contact page. Now, first thing that I have done is to create a folder, and I just name this folder um, website sample, and it is being stored in a folder called whole website on my desktop. Now, very important to know that when you're creating your web site, and especially if you're using more than one web pages, you need to have all of them stored inside one single folder, as well as the various pictures and videos and the various other things that you would incorporate in your website should be stored in that specific folder. So that's why I start by showing that I would already created a folder to store those information or those files. Now, here on your screen, if you examine, yes, if you examine carefully, you will see where I have a file right here, and it indicates my home page. I have gone ahead and put in all the necessary tax attribute that will be needed in creating my website. Now, I am focusing on creating the home page for this project. So I've gone ahead and I put in all these tags that you'll be familiar with, and I have my title to say home to indicate is my home page. But take for example, if I'm creating a website, let's say about perfume, I could really put the name of the company that I am using right here. For example, Cole's perfume. I could incorporate that right there, and note that it is within the head tag as well. I have gone ahead and just inserted yes, I have incorporated an inline styling, one in which just presented a background color, and I also have each one heading with a background color, um, just saying fashion. So for example, I'm saying that my website is about fashion, and very important, what I want you to notice is my hyperlink right here. Like I said, that I am creating um, three pages, and I am on the home page. So I have a link here to say gallery one.html, and I have gallery, and I have a next hyperlink. Please note how this is done, and I have it naming form1.html, and I give it a name of form. What you will realize is that I have created two links on my home page. When I open it in the browser, I can move from my home page to my gallery page, and I can also move from my home page to my form page. So that is what these two links will allow you to do. I'm just going to go ahead and we're going to save it in that folder I mentioned before. So I go to File and I go to Save As, and here's my folder called Web Sample. I'm just going to call this one. Let's call this one home.html, and I could have used index for it as well. I'm going to click on Save. So if I should move to my sample page, here you will see where I have my home that I just saved. So let's just view it in the browser. So click on right click on it, and I will open it. Let's open it in Firefox. See what it looks like. Good. So here is that page that I created. Realize I did say I use an inline. Let me bring it up for you. Remember, I did say I use a background color of blue, Dodger blue right here, inline styling. I have my H1 heading, and I did say I'm giving my H1 heading a background color of white, which you're seeing right there. And I did create two hyperlinks, one called gallery and one called form. So this code give the result over here that you're seeing. You will of course incorporate more stuff on your page, but this video is just geared at showing you how to create these 3 pages and hyperlink them. Alright, with that said, let me move to my gallery page. And what I can do, I can simply just copy this code right here. And I'm going to just create a gallery page. So I could just change my title here to gallery. And let's say I want to just incorporate the word gallery there for where I have my fashion. Remove that and I'm going to put gallery. And of course, now I am on my gallery page, so I would not need a link to go to gallery. So I could simply change the word gallery right here to home. But I would also have to change the path from gallery to be home as well, because home is what I see my page as. Alright? And my form will remain as well. So let's just go to file and let me save this again. And I'm going to put it inside of this same one. I'm going to call it gallery. Let's call it gallery.html. And I'm going to save it. Good, and to save. And if I should just click on my gallery here, let's refresh it. Click on my gallery link right here. This is will take us to that page. Alright, this is going to take us to that page. So let's just run it from the folder itself. So right click and I open with Firefox. And there is my gallery page. So there I'm moving back and forth now between my home page and my gallery page. So presently I am on my gallery page where you're seeing gallery and you're seeing the link. You're seeing the link home as well as form. And please note that this code would have created it. Alright. So I am just going to do the copy and paste procedure again to create my form page. So I'm just going to copy this code because this code is basically a general code that you would use in creating your website, but of course you would incorporate some more information pertaining to that specific page. So I'm going to change the title from gallery to form, change it to form, and I'm also going to change this section to form as well. And now I am on my form page, so I would not need to have a link to form, but I would need a link to gallery. And of course I must change the part from form here, and I'm going to give it a name of gallery. Alright, so let me move back to my so let me just save my form page. So file, save as, and I'm saving it inside this folder again. I'm gonna call it form.html, and I'm just going to point out something to you shortly. So I am on my gallery page. So let's click on form and see if it takes me to form. Alright, so you realize that it is not taking me to form. I just want you to observe this carefully. Let's go back to my gallery page. So I have just saved my form page as form.html. But however, if you look within my code right here, I have form1.html. So this is the reason why it's not moving to it. So if I remove that and have form.html and save it, refresh this page, and let me go on home, and let me go to my gallery. Let me to my gallery. Let's go to form. taking me to form. What is causing that? Let's just check on these code. So let's go back to my home page. I need to change this from gallery 1 to gallery, and from form 1 to form, and I'm going to save it. And let's check with my gallery page. I have my home, I have my farm. That's good. Let's check my farm page. I have my home link and I have my gallery link, and everything is saved. All right. So let's jump here and open my home page once more. That's my home page. So let's say I want to move to gallery. There you go. I move to gallery. I want to go back to home. Yeah, I'm back at home. I'm on a home. If I want to go to farm. Here I go to farm. I'm at the farm page. I can go back to home and so forth. So see now you see my links are moving back and forth to respective pages. Alright, so that is it as it relates to creating the three simple pages and hyperlinking them. Now it's just to add all necessary content that will go on specific page. Now do remember that you will need practice to develop this mastery, and please remember to subscribe and give a like as well.